Why do the guys who care the most often get ignored? Why do the respectful, loyal, and kind men end up last? Because they make one mistake. They chase women. Today, I'll give you 6 hard truths about why chasing women destroys your confidence, your time, and your dating life. Number 4 is why most men get stuck in the friend zone forever. Let's get real. Reason 1: chasing kills attraction. Women aren't attracted to men who chase. They're attracted to men who lead. When you chase a woman, you're telling her, "I'm not enough on my own. I need you to feel whole." Think about it. If a deer ran towards the hunter, where's the challenge? The hunt would be boring. That's how attraction works too. If she doesn't have to earn your attention, she won't value it. Reason 2: you become her option when you chase her. You give her all the power. She knows you're always available. So what does she do? She puts you in her maybe list while dating other guys. You become her emotional support while someone else becomes her lover. But the moment you pull away, she notices. Never let someone treat you like an option while you treat them like a priority. Reason 3: it wastes your time. Time is the one thing you can never get back. While you're sending her good morning texts for 3 months straight, another guy just met her, took her out, and now they're dating. You can't convince someone to like you. If she's not matching your energy, stop wasting time. Focus on women who see your value without you having to prove it. Reason 4: the friend zone trap. Chasing is how men end up in the friend zone. Women categorize men quickly. You're either someone she sees romantically or just a nice guy friend she calls when she's bored. No amount of favors, late-night texts, or compliments will change that. If you chase, you're telling her, "I'll do anything for your attention, even if you never love me back." That's not romantic. That's painful. Stop begging for love. Demand respect instead. Reason 5: you ignore red flags. When you chase, you see what you want to see, not what's really there. She's rude, you ignore it. She cancels last minute, you give her another chance. She talks about other guys, you still think, "Maybe I have a shot." This is how men lose their power. Stop chasing people who treat you like you don't matter. Reason 6: the right woman won't make you chase. Here's the truth. Healthy love feels easy. When a woman truly likes you, she doesn't play games. She texts back. She shows interest. She respects your time. If you're doing all the work, calling, texting, planning, while she barely responds, that's not love. That's you chasing validation. And the best part? When you stop chasing, the right women start showing up. So what should you do instead of chasing? Build yourself. Level up. Be the kind of man who women chase naturally. Want me to make a full video on how to do that? Comment the word "change" below right now. If this video opened your eyes, like it, share it, and subscribe for more real talk on dating and self-worth. Remember, a king doesn't chase.